Hi guys, it's Tammy, and you guys seem to don't mind the get ready with me kind of vlogs, and since I'm not going to work yet, I thought I would go ahead and do it this way again. So today is Saturday the 28th, maybe, I don't know, January, and I am home because I had surgery on the 19th of January last Friday. So I am home for that, and I am feeling so good since yesterday. It's been crazy how good I felt. I really didn't expect it, but it was like all of a sudden yesterday I was like, wow, I have zero pain. I feel really good. I was able to walk about a half a mile yesterday, and I took Taz, and that was great. I was going to take him this morning, and it's raining, so instead I cleaned out one of our end tables by the couch, or side tables I guess it's called, that needed it desperately, hadn't been cleaned out for ages, and I was actually really proud of myself for getting that done. And then I also dusted, and then I am now in the shower, or now just finished with the shower, trying to pluck a few of these eyebrows that are unruly, but I just need to go get my eyebrows done every couple of weeks, because if I don't keep up with it, it gets out of control. And even if I do keep up with it, it kind of still gets out of control because I don't know why, because I have dark hair, I guess, and I just have a lot of it. So, there's not a whole lot new, but there might be a little bit new, so I don't know what I've told you and what I haven't told you. I still kind of have a little bit of brain fog. I know that somebody had commented in the comments, and I only know this because my friend told me about it. Thank you so much, Janie, for telling me that brain fog could be still due to anesthesia, because it takes 3 weeks for that to get out of your body, and I do believe that, because sometimes the brain fog is real. So sometimes I'm still a little spacey, and it's just so weird because I'm frankly not used to being that ditzy, or I don't know another word for it, but that spacey. I'm like, what in the world? I'll lose track of what I'm saying as I'm saying it sometimes. I mean, and I'm used to, having forgetful spells or whatever sometimes, but just totally like that, it's just bizarro. But anyway, speaking of comments, I haven't read comments for over a week, and I absolutely apologize. I see some of them, but I don't see very many of them because I don't get them on my phone. I think I only get them on my phone for my other channel, and that's okay, because it really sometimes gets to be too much. But in times like this, when I haven't seen them for over a week, I know I'm going to go to the computer and have a million comments, which is fabulous, because I love you guys and I love the support, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the best. It's so great to have such a great support system in all of you, and in everything, not just weight loss, but in just life. It's fabulous, and I want you guys to know that I support you guys too. And if there's ever, how we can help each other, let me know, because that's what I like to do. I want us to be able to help each other. So anyway, I have not read a lot of comments. So what I'm going to do, I plan on doing, is just probably liking the comments that you guys have sent me, so that you know that I have read it. I'll probably reply to some of them, but I won't be able to reply to all of them, I'm imagining. But then I hope to get back more on track and do what I usually do, which, I've kind of tried to still reply to most of them that just started. I used to reply to all of them all the time, and I still like to do that when I can. But if I can't, I know that it's okay not to. I don't know. You guys take the time to write something. I feel like I should take the time to reply, but I know that you guys understand, because it is hard. I have, a full-time job. I have 2 children, I have a husband, I have 2 cats, a dog, you know, I have life just like you guys do, and it's hard to find the time for everything. So sometimes the comments will get pushed to the back now, but that hasn't happened really quite yet. But there have been a few comments, you know, that instead of replying thanks, I'll just like and move on. Someone had said, could you just put like a smiley face or something in it? But honestly, if I'm going to take the time to type something, I may as well type a reply. So unfortunately, no, I'm just going to like the ones that I can, and then just go on through and reply as I need to. If there's a question or something, certainly I will reply, but I'm not going to get onto that again because we've already talked about that. So what was I going to talk about? And why do I keep saying so I was going to talk about my kids. So Alex started a new job. I don't know if I told you guys that. He is working at a place called Hungry Howie's. I don't know how regional they are or if they're nationwide. I'm not really sure. But it is a pizza place, which is kind of ironic because, you know, now I had surgery and I can't be having some pizza, but I love it. But they do sell salads, and there is one that looks really good. And I told him that come March, when I'm able to, eat salads, I'm going to be getting it. It is a chicken, what was it? It had chicken, and I think it had blue cheese or something. It looked really good. But anyway, I'm using this highlighter thing. I have no idea what I'm doing. So he started there, and he said he really liked it. His first shift, where he was driving himself, was last night. So please pray for him, because I just hate that he's 18, but you know, he's still kind of a new driver, and I hate the idea of these young kids being on the road and all of that. So it kind of still scares the bejesus out of me. I know I'm kind of a mama hen, and but I think everybody is, and it scares me, but I'm happy for him, and he's really happy. He made, I think he said $30 or 25 bucks in tips last night, and he was super pleased with himself. So, I mean, he didn't work very many hours, but, you know, tip your pizza man and, or pizza boy for sure, or pizza man too, because, you know, clearly if they're doing that, they need it. And I'm going to use this I Spy stuff that I got from my friend Jess in Australia. So this is Australis I Spy Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. And I did a video, but I don't know that it's posted yet because I don't think I've scheduled anything yet. But look how cute that is. So, yeah, I'm excited about it. Anyway, he started there, and he's really happy, so that's good. And then my daughter is all excited because she is at Taylor University, which I think I've told you before, and she's a major in elementary education. And this last 3 weeks, she's been working as an elementary teacher aide for one of the special ed classes, which is what her focus is. And she was asked to sub one of the teachers, and she actually subbed the class all by herself. And the teacher the next day called her, or came to her and told her that she is the only sub that they've ever had that they haven't had to call her and help with something that happened during the day with any other sub. And Katie is, you know, brand new. She's 20 years old. She's not a teacher. She's a sophomore in college, and she was able to handle these students, and I'm so proud of her. And then Friday, she was supposed to have off. Yesterday, she wasn't supposed to have to go to school, but they were doing a special EAP session. And so the teacher that she shadowed asked her if she wanted to be a part of it, because that's going to be a big part of, an EAP is, I can't remember what it stands for, but it's for kids that have special needs, be it, you know, like mentally handicapped, or just have where you switch the letters. I seriously have brain fog. Dyslexia or things like that, like any kind of learning disability, you might be given an EAP, which just means that you might learn differently. Some EAPs just require that the teacher like reads the questions to the test to the kid instead of having the kid read them themselves. They're just like audio learners or whatever. So EAPs can be for lots of different things, but the kids in her classes will definitely all have EAPs. And so she said that she would go to that too, which I am just proud of her, because she gave up one of her very few days off to go to school to learn more. And it just warms my heart that she's so involved and so thrilled to do this, and she has such a calling, she feels like, and I am so proud of her. I'm proud of both of my kids. They're just amazing. They just amaze me every day. So there's that. And then her boyfriend, I don't know if you guys remember, but he has been in Greece and Italy for J term. So for these last, I don't know how long he was there, a couple of weeks. There's 3 weeks in J term, and I don't think they spent all 3 weeks there. But for the past little while, he has been in, and I like this eyeshadow, Jess. It's very nice. He has been away, and he comes back to school on Sunday. I think that's right. And she is so happy to see him. She cannot wait to see him. She's like, has a countdown on her phone, and it's so cute. So I'm so happy for them too, because I know that they really, really love each other. Like, you know, I don't know. It's just sweet. So there's that. And then news on Dennis. The day before yesterday, he was at work, and he is a maintenance engineer. And so he was changing something up in the ceiling, and he had to take these ceiling tiles down. And I guess there was a ceiling tile that was like yucky or something. I don't know. And all of this dust, now he wears glasses, but all of this dust came down, and even had some rusty like metal pieces in it somehow. I don't know exactly. But one of the little rusty metal pieces, or some of the little rusty metal pieces, got in his eye. And he didn't know it then. You know, he has his glasses on, and he kind of just rubbed it away and thought, you know, whatever. And he came home that night, and I'm like, honey, what is wrong with your eye? And he's like, I don't know. I think I must have gotten something in it. So we had some saline, and he, you know, wiped his eyes out and tried to clean out whatever was in there. And it was still hurting him. And I had some eye drops, so we put some eye drops in it. And he went to bed early that day. And then he woke up the next day, and his eye was swollen and yucky. And I'm like, honey, you know, that's not good. And he's like, well, it'll be all right. He's a guy, so he goes on to work, and I don't think I'm going to do the whole fiber thing. I just don't feel like it. I don't know that I'm going anywhere. I might be, but that's okay. He goes to work, and his boss sees him, and his boss is like, what did you do to your eye? And he tells him, and his boss, of course, says, no. And makes him go to workman's comp. And he had to go see an optometrist or ophthalmologist or whatever. And they like cleaned out his eye, like real yucky, I guess, with something. And Dennis said it was nasty. And there were metal shards in his eye, and it totally abrased or scratched his cornea. So he's on medicine. And we were going to go see a movie last night. But when he came home from work, he was tired and his eye hurt, so we didn't go. So we may go today. It's that one about Be My Girl or something. It's totally a chick flick, but it was my turn to pick, and so I picked. And I want to see that. So that's the one we're going to go see. I don't pick chick flicks a lot just because I know he doesn't really particularly care for them, but I do, and I figure that I'm due a chick flick. So there's that. I feel like my lipstick is kind of crooked. It's kind of funny. But he seems to be doing better today. Ooh, now that's too much. Wow, why do I even bother? That looks great. Fabulous. Good job, Tammy. Get your life together, kid. And it's a rainy, kind of crummy day. So it would be a good day to go see a movie. I don't know, it's not perfect, but I don't care. Our trash can is full, so I moved it out so that it will remember to take it out. And yeah, that's that. I wonder if I have any like regular hand lotion around here. Oh, I could use this, couldn't I? This is fun. Feels so fancy when I use that. I really like the eyeshadow. It's very pretty. If I say so myself. Goodness. I just need some regular old hand lotion. Oh, here's some. Knew I had to have some. And then I'll put on my bracelets. Gosh, it's been 16, almost 17 minutes. I guess I can let you guys go. I don't know that I have anything else to say. I think we're also going to make a trip to Lowe's today to go exchange some air filters or something. And need to go to Walgreens to pick up a prescription for Katie. And I think I have a blood pressure prescription there, but I don't know if I'm going to take it because they said as long as my blood pressure was regular, not to take it. So I'll take my blood pressure too and see how that is. And then I'll go from there. And I'm going to start my vitamins tomorrow. And I need to still blow dry my hair, but I can't do that when I'm talking with you guys. So I will close it out before I do that. My hands are, oh no, this is empty almost. Oh, there we go. There we go. This is good hand lotion. This was in a Fit and Fun box. It's the Winter in Manhattan Beach, and it smells so good. It smells bergamot, I don't know how to say that, citrus, Brazilian softwoods, white jasmine, heliotrope, and musk. But it smells like a beach, like not suntan lotion, but like a sunny beach. It's nice. I like it. Gosh, my hair's getting whites again. I need to color it yet again. The story of my life. I feel like I'm forever coloring it more and more frequently. I don't remember the last time I did though, so I mean it could have been 3 months at least. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, I guess I will let you guys go. I'm gonna just put on my jewelry, and which is just my bracelets. I'm not gonna put anything else on. And then I'm going to blow dry this mop on my head, and that's it. So have a great day. I wanted to say hello so that you guys would know that I'm around and hanging out, and I apologize again for the comments. I will get to them, and I love each and every one of you and so appreciate you. So thank you very much for being you, and thanks for supporting me, and have a great day. Bye-bye.